What happens if the cost to repair a damaged car is more than the car is worth? Usually, the car is treated as a total loss for the property damage claim. In North Carolina, the legal focus is often not the full repair bill. The focus is the car's fair market value immediately before the crash, compared with its value immediately after the crash. Repair estimates still matter because they show how badly the car was damaged. But if the repair cost is higher than the car's value, the owner may not be able to demand unlimited repair money. The claim may instead involve payment based on the car's pre-crash value, with salvage value considered if the owner keeps the damaged car. Title issues can also matter. A severely damaged vehicle may end up with a branded title, which can affect resale value even if it is repaired. Fault is also important. Someone still has to prove who caused the crash and who is legally responsible for paying. Finally, be careful with any written release. A payment, repair agreement, or replacement vehicle may not settle every possible claim unless the written agreement clearly says what is being released, who is signing, and what happens to the damaged vehicle.